Hey, what's up guys? Today I have an unboxing from Cubelelo. So in this package is something that is very special, and I'm pretty sure by now you know what it is by the title. So it is the new GAN 12 maglev, and actually haven't seen a lot of videos on this cube. I've just heard about it just a little bit. Whoops. So in the package itself we have the cube, and obviously in the box GAN 12 maglev. Then we have Cubelo's card. You can contact them by reaching out to their mail or on their number. And then we have this Cube Care thing right here, pretty neat. And also standard Cubelelo pouch with Happy Diwali written on it, pretty neat again. Coming to the main section of this unboxing, which is the cube itself. So let's just get right into it. I'm pretty excited. We have this Cube Station card, and then the cube itself, the accessories, and GAN's card. So let's take a look at the cube itself, which is the highlight of this unboxing, of course. I'm not sure how to open this, but yeah, there you go. Keeping the box aside, in the back. Okay, first turns. Okay, wow, this feels really good. First thing I noticed is that it has a glossy finish to it. Here is my GAN 11M Pro for comparison. It has a matte finish, and this already makes this cube a little premium comparatively to this one and the 11M Pro. I can't seem to find my 11M Pro right now, but for the actual review I'll make sure I can find it and compare it with this one, the 12 maglev. But wow, this does feel really good and promising. So if you don't know, I was using the 11M Pro for a while as my main, but then I switched to WRM, and now I'm using the RS3M 2020. But I kind of switched with this one as well, this RS3M 2020 and the WRM. So, but this is a serious contender for my main right now. Like out of the box, it feels really nice. It is very fast. That is something that I noticed right now. It isn't like sluggish or anything. My GAN 11M Pro was a little sluggish, if I remember correctly. At least compared to this, the GAN 11 feels a little more sluggish. Of course, I haven't set this up, so I can't say anything, but this does feel really nice. A little fast for me. I prefer slower cubes. Let's check out the corner cutting of this cube, by the way. So 45 cuts easily. That is the standard for cubes nowadays. Okay, just past 45, it doesn't cut quite there. Okay, let's check out the reverse corner cutting for this one. Almost a full center, cuts, full center, cuts. Okay, reverse corner cutting is insane. If I go past that, it just starts locking up a little. But obviously we won't be needing that much corner cutting in a solve. Compared to the GAN 11M Pro, it's gonna corner cut over here quickly. Cuts at 45, cuts just a little past 45, and locks up over there, and reverse about the same. Okay, yeah. So obviously this is not gonna be a huge step up from these cubes, I think. I mean, the only difference is the maglev technology in this one, which I will have to explore more before I can say anything about this one. But what I feel about this one is this could be at least something that I can use more often. Usually when I pick up my GAN cubes, I use them for a day. I really like them in the beginning, and then later on I feel that they are not for me. So I can't really say anything about this cube, but if this continues to be good, I might just end up using this as my main. I mean, I do feel that it has a lot of potential. If I set it up correctly, then I can definitely use this as my main. But again, it's too soon to say anything. So I'll be coming up with a full review on this cube, and I'll be comparing it with both the previous versions, the 11Ms Duo and Pro both. And you will be probably seeing some solves after this clip ends. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more cubing content and vlogs. I hope you guys are enjoying my vlogs as well. Obviously I did say that my cubing content won't stop, and yeah, this is one of those cubing videos, and I'll be coming up with some reviews on this cube and some other cubes that I'll be buying pretty soon and getting from Cube Lelo. So stay tuned, content coming up, so enjoy the solves now. Okay, before wrapping up the unboxing, I totally forgot to check the accessories that come with it, so quickly gonna go through that. Oops, what is this? Okay, this seems like the tensioning tool. Again, I'll have to figure out how to use all of this with the GAN 12, but looks pretty cool. It's a neat box. We have GAN cube pouch, and then I have the pamphlets and everything. So nothing else in there, nothing too interesting apart from this, which I don't know how to use right now, but I'll figure that out. So yeah, that's it. Enjoy the solves. So it's been a few days since I got this cube, and I've done quite a few solves on it, and I've kind of reached my first impression on this one. So in the unboxing I said it's really good, and I actually really liked it out of the box, but when I sat down to solve on this, it did not work for me. So I did get some decent times like 5s and 6s, but most of the times I was really inconsistent. Like in an average of 5 I would get 6, 10, 5, 9 and then another like 7. So I was averaging from 6 seconds to somewhere around 9 seconds on this cube, which is something I don't normally get on my main cubes like the WRM or RS3M 2020. This is not my final impression, but I want to take back the words I said in the unboxing that this cube is it has extremely high potential, which it does not have according to me. But again, do not take my final word on this from this unboxing. Just wait for the review and it will be out pretty soon. I'm gonna set this cube up and see where it goes. Till then, cheers and have a good day.